Hello my friends, welcome back. My name is Ms.Syd and today we're gonna paint and create a beautiful cactus. Does anybody know how to spell cactus? Let's see. C-A-C-T-U-S, cactus. The cactus is a beautiful plant. Today I'm gonna show you how to make it using all these beautiful colors. We have some paper, we have some small leaves, and we have a toilet roll, and we have some stamps and some glue. Let's start by painting the smaller leaves. We're gonna paint them green using our pom-poms. Parents, you could use any paint you have. You could use paintbrushes, you could use cotton swabs, anything you have at home. So we're gonna start by painting both sides of the leaf, and we're gonna set them aside for them to dry once they're done. And don't forget, it's okay to make a mess as long as we clean up later. Now we're gonna start decorating the bottom part of the cactus. You can use any colors you want. We're using color red here. We can use some cute little stamps. You could also use the color blue. You could paint whichever you want as your favorite color. We are also using some dotters. We could use any color. In this case, we're using the color yellow. That's my favorite color. Now let's color our roll. We're gonna use the color pink to go all around. You guys could use any color you want. We're gonna use some yellow. We're gonna mix them up just like this. And we're gonna use some blue to put little circles around the roll. Look how beautiful it looks. Next, we're gonna take some shapes and we're gonna glue it to the base of our plants. You could use any shapes you have. If you don't have shapes, you could use anything else. You could even color more if you want. After, we're gonna take a lot of glue and glue the plant to the base. Make sure you take a lot of glue so it can stick to it. After standing nice and tall, we're gonna take the two green leaves that we painted earlier, and parents, you're gonna cut a little strip at the bottom and fold them together so they can stand in the plant. Just like this. Look how pretty it looks, and you can put it anywhere you want. You can put it on your window. You could create different plants and create a little garden by your window. And there you have it, my friends, beautiful cactus. Look how cute they look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys come next time. Bye bye.